Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Cannabox subscription. Okay, so if you have taken any subscription on their platform, so how you can cancel. Basically cancellation is very easy. There are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. So the first method, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to open official website and you need to log in into your Cannabox account. And once you logged in into your Cannabox account, you will see there is a profile icon. You need to tap on this button or this icon and it will show you your account details like order, subscription, address, payment, account details. You need to select subscription, and once you select subscription you will see your all active subscriptions, and you just need to simply tap on view button. And once you tap on view button you will see there is a button like cancel subscription, and by pressing this button and following the prompts you can cancel your subscription of Cannabox very easily. Okay, and there is one more method, that is for email. If this method will not work for you, if you forget your account, if you are not able to log in into your account, so in that case what you have to do, you need to compose an email. In the email you need to provide your name, your email ID, your subscription starting date and date. If you know that the information you know about your subscription, you need to provide each and everything. Then you need to provide reason why you want to cancel, and once you've done this email, you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the email. And once you've done this thing, you need to send this email at their email address hello@cannabox.com, and once they receive your email they will reply you, and they will cancel your subscription. And after cancellation you need to keep this thing in your mind, like once cancel, your account will be showing pending cancellation status until the end of your current billing period is over. Okay, during this time you will still receive any remaining boxes from the most recent renewal, but would not be billed again. Your subscription will show as fully cancelled starting on the next renewal date. After cancellation, confirmation of cancellation, after completing a cancellation process, you will receive a confirmation email from their record. Okay, if you have any questions, you can contact with their customer support team. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.